Sunil Naik. In this video, I am back with one passage. So the passages are very important. So we can see that in entrance exams like Navodaya, Sainik school, and the different competitive exams, and also in our school. So we can see in the exams they will ask one passage or two passages. Okay, students. Now let us see. Here they have given one passage. So I will explain the passage. After that, you have to answer the questions, and each question carries four options. You can see here. So let us see. Plants are called primary producers. So in this passage, they have given about the primary producers and consumers all detail. So plants are called as a primary producers. Already we know that students plants prepare their own food, okay, and for that reason we will call that as a primary producers. Plant eating animals like cows, deers and rabbits are called primary consumers. So here plants they prepare their own food, they are called as a primary producers. But plants eating animals are there. Some animals they will eat plants, like examples they have given cows, deers and rabbits. They are called as a primary consumers. So some animals are there, they will eat the flesh, so they depend upon the other animals. Flesh eating, we will call them as a flesh eating animals. They are called as a secondary consumers. So students, we have to remember this all so that it is easy to answer the questions. If we cut down forests, primary consumers are bound to die due to lack of food. So nowadays we can see that we are cutting the forest, means we are cutting the trees for our work, like you can see while constructing the buildings. While constructing the buildings to prepare the windows, doors, so many different kinds of the furnitures, we are using the wood. For that reason we are cutting the trees. Okay, if we cut down forests, primary consumers are bound to die due to lack of food. Here if there is no forest, means there is no trees in the forest, so primary consumers they are bound to die due to lack of food. So secondary consumers will automatically suffer. If there is a lack of food, secondary consumers will automatically suffer. If we stopped cutting trees and polluting water bodies, we may have a better future. If we stop cutting trees, so we should not cut the trees, we have to grow the trees as much as possible. If we stop cutting trees and polluting water bodies, we may have better future. Okay, students, we should not pollute water bodies, and as well as we should not cut trees. Okay, students, I hope you understood this small passage. So let us see what questions they have asked in this. So first question, plants belong to the category of. So you can see here plants belong to category of. They have given here four options. First option is secondary consumers, second option is primary consumers, third option is primary producers, and fourth option is secondary producers. So think. So once again you can see here the passage, we can get the answer. So here in this sheet one is the answer. Plants belong to the category of primary producers. So in first line only they have given plants are called as a primary producers. So here we will get the answer. So first one is the C. Let's see the second question. Who are the primary consumers? Next question is, who are the primary consumers? So here you can see they have given again four options. First one is human beings, second one is cows and deers, third one is lions and tigers, Fourth one is plants and water. So we can, once again, you can pause this video and read the passage and you can answer this question. So 77th, in this second question, the answer is cows and deers. Who are the primary consumers, they are asked here. So primary consumers are the animals which eating the plant. Means the answer is B, cows and deers. We can see here. Plant eating animals like cows and deers, they are called as a primary consumers. So question is primary consumers. So the answer is B one. So let's see the next question. So students, you can see the next question. Flesh eating animals comes under the category of. So in which category the flesh eating animals comes, that we have to tell. So first one is cannibals. Second one option is secondary consumers. Third option is omnivorous animals. Fourth option is primary producers. So all of you try this one. So 78th, the answer is B one, that is primary consumers. So why? Because flesh eating animals they have asked here. So flesh eating animals, in the paragraph, in the passage, they have given flesh eating animals are called as a secondary consumers. Okay. So for that reason, it is comes under secondary consumers. Because primary consumers means, already we know that primary consumer means they will eat the plants. Secondary consumers means they will eat the flesh of the other animals. Okay, students. Now next one, 79th. What is the result of deforestation? Students, what is the result of deforestation? So first option here, trees will disappear from the world. Second option, human beings die. Third option, primary and secondary animals suffer. Fourth option, primary and secondary animals enjoy. So in the paragraph, you can see here, in the paragraph, they have given here the secondary and primary consumers will automatically suffer. Suffer means here primary and secondary animals suffer. They have given in third option. So we can mark this one. Third one is the answer for this 79th question. So students, so now next question is for you. So who are watching this video, you have to comment the answer to me. This question, I will explain the question. 80th question, to have better future. To have better future, first option is we need to cut the trees. Second option, we need to live with animals. Third option, we need to live in the forest. And the fourth option is we should stop cutting tree. This question is for you. Once again, you can pause the video and you can read this passage completely and answer this in comment box. Okay students, I hope all of you understood this passage. In upcoming videos, I will upload some more passages and mental ability as well as mathematics. Okay students, see you all in the next video. Thank you.